Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel, answering a question that you have left me: where does the map sensor have an Audi 2000 TDI 140 horses? Well, it is a question that customers, in fact, usually ask me, because they look for it and they can't find it either. I have in the workshop, we now have in the workshop an Audi A4 with that 2000 TDI 140 horsepower engine, and we also have, right now we have entered for maintenance, also a Volkswagen Touran 2000 TDI with that same engine. Look where it goes. In the two vehicles, there we have the intake manifold, but here we have to look, you see, the hose that comes from the intercooler. Look at the Audi, there you have it, right at the exit of the intercooler towards the intake manifold. At the exit, there you have it. Now go show it in the Volkswagen Touran minivan, where this is the Volkswagen Touran takes it, and look, the same route would have to look down the hose, that is. I will continue the intake hose under the intake manifold towards the intercooler, and in this case it is a little more hidden still. You see, there I am marking it on the bottom, which carries the air. It is a bit dirty, but hey, you can see it there, it is the one with the white label. As if we were following here the hose that goes down, that goes to the intercooler, or that comes from the intercooler to the intake, it would be a few centimeters away. I already say that you can see it there, or if you do not know each other, these vehicles are difficult to find. But I already say in these vehicles with VAG engine, here, look at it, always follow the route, as I say. You look for the hose that comes out of the intercooler towards the intake, or vice versa. If you do not know where the intercooler is, follow that sleeve and you will find it. Okay, here you have this video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.